Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Deputy Commissioner of West Jainti Hills District, Avinav Kumar Singh, Ulapantip, Balatao ya Committee ke Basangut Kidkhod, Bantokit Benia, Halor ka Jingjia, Balajia MCH Hospital Jawai, Hakabak away ka Longkmie, Blatip Kerteng kum ka Kong Pynpoi Bare, Kablalit Banka Khlung Hakani Hospital, Kala Khlad no, Madi Khlung ibdan Hapoh Jongkaru ila Khlad. Udisi Ulapantip, Bayakani ka Committee, and Khlad the Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Kong B Bla. Labtha ya committee men Pynpoi ya Kaiphod ani ka report ha janmit juga khandai Tarik ujeliu arjar arsan ha kaju kapor ulapentip bak superintendent ka MCH ru kala thau yak internal committee bantokit alor ka ni jingjia nangta ka kanhun joka Directorate of Health Services bayalam du joint director kala penlong jek jingtokit jongka udisi ulaong bun sasim ya karai babiang endawlayo ya Kaiphod jongkini kanhun tokit.
Actually, it's an unfortunate death of a lady by the name of Pynpoi Bare, who is from Jalafet, East Jainti Hills. It has been reported that she has passed away on 4th of June at 9:30 p.m. in MCH Hospital, Jowai. How the sequence of event which has been informed by the superintendent of MCH is that on 2nd of June, that is on Monday, she was admitted in Sutanga CHC. She had initially a complaint of bleeding. On 3rd, that is Tuesday, at 12:42, she was admitted to the Jowai MCH hospital on the recommendation from the previous health institution. It was told that by the medical officer that she was not taken any food, she could not take any food because of certain complications which have developed. And then on 4th-6th, she was seen by a consultant and reviewed. At 2 p.m, her condition was stable. At 5:30 p.m, there was a pain in abdomen on 4th, that is yesterday, and she was shifted to a high dependency unit. Technically, for high dependency unit, she was under constant monitoring of a medical officer. At 6:20 again, the pain was there, which has been recorded. At 8:10 on 4th of June, her condition was started to deteriorate. Then, after multiple set of things, it was reported at 9:15. It was declared that she passed away. So this is the sequence of event which has happened so far. An internal committee has been constituted by the medical superintendent herself also to oversee that what is the scenario and to ascertain the facts of the case. She has also to submit the report to us, which will be done later by today. Also, a team from the Director Health Services headed by a joint director has visited the MCH hospital, which they are undergoing their own set of fact finding and inquiry, wherein they are taking the facts from the medical officers who were involved in this particular case, also from the gynecologist, the pediatrician, etc. At our level from the district administration, to have an impartial inquiry, we have appointed our ADC, Madam Bla, to head a committee which will be looking into and fact finding for what are the reasons to ascertain the actual reality of the case. To ensure impartiality, we have asked and requested from East Jainti Hills for deputing the gynecologist of their hospital, also along with the pediatrician. So it would be a 4-member committee. DMHO will also be a part of it. So, and we have asked the ADC to submit the report maximum by Monday. On the basis of the report, then necessary action will be taken. To do on similar lines, once this inquiry gets concluded, we are going to chair again a meeting with regard to finding of the lacunas or the gaps which are there with regard to the MCH hospital or with regard to other health facilities also. And on the basis of that, our recommendation will be put forward.